That one's been in there a long time. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, Peter, that's
Oh, that's
pretty.
a fun one.
Oh,
A couple
it's
different
orange.
colors. I put one of the other ones in the green too.
Good job! Here, I get it. Ooh, ooh! Mommy fix it. Wow. What this? Oh. One more. Let's look at the green one.
Mix, mix.
Let's look at this green one. Ooh! Put it back. Oh, you want to be done with that? Okay.
Mix, mix. Peter, you gotta put the egg in your basket.
Put it in your basket, honey.
Take it with you.
There you go. Oh, you found one. Very good. Oh, look at that. Do you see some more?
Peter, what is it? Go find more.
Oh, he sees one. Oh, it's okay. It's all right to have grass in your basket.
I'm free. I'm escaping.
One more.
Oh, good job, Peter. Real egg.
Is it cold? Is that one cold?
Burr, he says. That was cold burr. Oh, look at there.
Come here, sweetheart. We need to find eggs.
Egg.
You want to put it in your basket? You want to get the egg?
Is Riley looking for some eggs too?
She found one. All right.
Look, it's over here. Grammy has it. Basket.
All right.
Uh-oh. Good try.
Woo! Peter gets it.
Hey, Riley. Come here, sweetheart.
Good job.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, look at that.
Lynn, can you find this?
Maybe.
Is that one cold?
That one's cold. That one's cold.
We had a bunny in our yard.
Oh, that's